Our school has been here in Swannanoa Valley for 65 years. It's a wonderful community, but it's one of the pockets of our county that was hardest hit.
Hurricane Helene dumped rain to the point where the 15, 20-foot wall of water came through here at about 45, 50 miles an hour.
When we walk through after, it's eerily quiet. The smells of the debris and the muck and the mud, the entire maybe 150,000 square feet of our lower floor was flooded. There's nothing that can prepare you for something like that. We had no idea what the next steps were.
It was a group of administrators who were kind of circling up, everyone realizing how out of our depth that we were. And an SRS employee tapped on my shoulder and said, "Hi, my name is Mike and I'm here to help."
SRS rolled equipment on here within 3 hours. At one time we had 225 plus people working here. It was a job that kind of covered every facet of what SRS does. We found 6 to 10 inches of mud that sticks to everything, which we had to go in and basically bag by bag take it out. We found 5 feet of water in the auditorium, which had to be taken out. We didn't know if we were going to be able to save the library books because of the humidity. We were able to save almost every book in that library. So we are actually ahead of the schedule. This school will be open and full of students come the first of the year.
Every step of the way, they were kind and thoughtful, and it wasn't just a job to them.
The work that they do has helped bring a community back together and kind of people home.
We couldn't have asked for a better group to walk alongside us.